When we look at the ultimate reason for using code and programming, we need to understand that code is just a tool to help us solve real-life problems. As a programmer, one must take these tools and, with the skills gained over a long period of time, craft solutions for real-life problems. Now, traditionally, tools are used to build things, and we often see craftsmen use their tools in some sort of workshop or factory. In the same way, as a programmer, we need to use our tools in a certain place. This brings us to IDEs, or Integrated Development Environments. In this video, we will go over how to install the NetBeans IDE. The first step is to actually get the tools to put into the factory. And by this, I mean installing the Java Development Kit, or JDK, onto our machine. Step 1 is to Google JDK download and then click here. This takes you to this page. Scroll a little lower to this point and then click on the tab that says Windows. Then click this link. This will begin the download of an executable file that easily allows us to install the JDK. Click the downloaded executable file when it completes downloading. Click Next. Here we set the location of which folder to install the JDK. It should look something like this. Click Next. The installation will commence. And that's the JDK installed. Now click Close. Next, we are going to install the NetBeans IDE. Google NetBeans Download and then click the link right here. Click the green download button right here. Then click this link, and then click this link. This downloads an executable file that helps to install NetBeans. Click this downloaded file to start the installation. Click Next, accept the terms and conditions, and click Next. Here, NetBeans asks the user where they can install their software and where they can find the JDK. The default paths should be fine. However, you can configure this. Just make sure that the path to the JDK is correct. Then click Next. Finally, click Install. This will begin the installation. Once the installation is done, click Finish. To open up NetBeans, I am going to search for it on the search bar and then press Enter. This opens up NetBeans. And there we have it. We have successfully installed NetBeans.